Hello everyone. Today I am showing in a interesting topic that is the mismatch in the file count on selected features. So I have opened in the one sample polygon layer. The one sample polygon layer has count showing count is 49 features. Okay, and when I have to select it in the features, then the count selected features count has been shown in the 56 features. Okay, so how to solve in this features to be matched. Okay, actual features has been 56 feature, but the polygon count showing in the 49 features. So how to solve it? You have to check any geometry checker, any topological checker. We do not have to found in any check geometry checker, yeah, any topological you do not have to found in this error. So how to solve this in this case? Okay, so at first you have to select it in all features layer. Okay, I have to select in features in 56 features layer and selected features. Then you have to one in the toggle editing, and you have to click in the card features. Okay, then you have to save in the toggle editing. Then you have to paste in same layer. Okay, so I have to paste in the same layer, but after that the file count cannot be matched. Okay, don't worry, I have to this solution in this video. In this, after this process you have to save in the toggle editing and then stop to toggle editing. When the process is complete, then you have to reopen the sample polygon file. Okay, I have to reopen the file. Okay, I have to remove this file and then reopen. Okay, okay, I then I have to go to in the file sample polygon jpkj, then I have to open. Okay, you have to show in the features, you have to show in the 56 count. Then you have to select the features count. Here is the 56 feature of the selected and the showing the features count in the 56. So that is the process to how to match in the selected features count and layer features count to be matched. So I think this video is very helpful for all of you. If anything, any doubt, please comment and box in my video. So thank you.